So this is a review of this Clean and Clear Oil Control Film. Came in a 3-pack, but this is just one of them. There are 50 sheets per pack, so there's 150 sheets for the 3 packs. And they're grapefruit scented, which is a nice touch. So to use them, you just open the pack, and look at that. One comes off as you open the door. That's because there is a small piece of tape there on the door itself, so that it pulls one out for you when you open the door, which is super useful because these things are so thin that it's really hard that if you're trying to pull one out without that piece of tape there, it's hard to pull just one. Sometimes you can pull several out, but if you just want one, that piece of tape there really does the work for you, which is awesome. Now these are super thin, like I said. They're very soft as well. It's almost like you're holding air. You can barely even feel it. Super soft. You can hear it crumble a little bit, but it's not as crinkly as some types of these kinds of papers. It's really more like a cloth than a paper. So let's test it out and see how it works. These are really great for getting excess oil off of your skin. And if you have kind of a shiny oil face like mine, they help to take that shine off as they take the oil off. Like I'm starting to go a little bald here, more than a little maybe, and they help my forehead not be quite as shiny. So after all that, this is what the oil sheet looks like. The clear parts are where it picked up some oil. I only had to use this one sheet, and that was enough for my face. My daughter, who is even more oily than me, uses about 3 or 4 sheets per time, but this is good enough for me. They work great. They just soak up that excess oil. You can just blot your face or rub your face. Really, either way is fine. I like that it kind of shows you where you can still use it. So like the clear places are where there is oil, and then these pink spots are where you can still absorb some more oil. But yeah, all in all, I think they work great. They're soft and effective. I recommend them.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.